Aves, bem-vindo, welcome.
Welcome, bem-vindo.
Now we're kind of interested in them. So, Happy, are you doing your own version of Ola? Or is it kind of scary?
He's not crazy about birds. They fly.
Oh, we got another one that just came.
Not crazy.
Safer, you're away from all the dog or the bird noises. Gotta shake it off. So this guy got a little overheated, a little quickly, but we did accomplish one thing. We got Mommy in her swan boat, which she has a thing for.
I've never been in one. It was a bucket list. I imagine myself floating, but... Here, let me say it.
Okay.
Welcome to me.
So what do we think of that?
I thought it was good. It got a little hotter than I expected.
Sunday, bright sunshine.
It hasn't been a sunny day. It's been kind of cloudy, but the sun came out.
It's now 74 degrees. It's about the high going to be for the day. And yeah, when you get the sun in Madeira, you feel it hotter.
Well, it was okay probably for us, but Happy is in a longer hairdo, and it was a little much for him. So we brought him into the air-conditioned car, and he's taking a little rest before we go with the air conditioning.
So in Madeira, getting from point A to point B is often a major part of the fun, as it was this day when we used the back roads to get from Campanario back to Funchal. Upon a cafe near Cabo Giral that may have one of the most spectacular sights, vistas of Madeira that you're ever gonna see, at least so far. And it's just beautiful. I wish I could stand closer, although maybe it's not that bad. I am claustrophobic. It's just, wow. And of course the camera can do no justice to it. So going the back roads from the bird sanctuary, or the Ilhas das Aves in Campanario, which is near Ribeira Brava, we kept on climbing and kept kind of hugging the coast, and we finally landed ourselves in Quinta Grande, and just a kilometer away from Cabo Geral, which is okay. I consider it more of a kind of like one of the more overrated attractions of Madeira.
Yeah. It's got a lot of gift shops. If you want to go shopping for souvenirs.
But the view over there, which I just showed you, or you're seeing now, is just spectacular, and I would argue better than from Cabo Geral, because it's really...
It's better for you because you won't go up to Cabo Geral. He doesn't go to Cabo Geral. It's too scary because he's afraid of heights.
Whoops. It's okay, but this is a lovely restaurant in terms of its location. It's called Restaurante Panoramico. We'll see how good the food is. So all in all, a very successful outing, and I have to say that as much as we enjoyed seeing the birds, we might have probably did enjoy the aimless wandering on the back roads that took us back to Funchal easily without hitting one rapida or highway.
Yeah.
It was wonderful to see the country. It was wonderful to see all the great views. It was wonderful to see all the things we had never seen before, and even the things we had seen before.
And it was wonderful for Rob to see what a fantastic driver I am.
Of course, we can't go by without saying hello to our own local birds.
Hi,
there.
birds.